Not every vehicle owner chooses to repair their car after an accident. In some situations, you may have the option to settle your property damage claim and receive payment without completing the repairs. This is often referred to as cashing out your claim. To determine the amount of the payment, the insurance company may ask you to submit photos of the damage, inspect the vehicle themselves, or review a preliminary estimate from a body shop. If you accept the payment, what you do with those funds is generally your decision, unless a lien holder or other legal obligation affects the payment. For some people, cashing out makes sense. Maybe the damage is only cosmetic, the vehicle is older, or they simply don't want to complete the repairs right away. However, there are important risks to consider. A preliminary estimate is based only on the damage that can be seen. Once a vehicle is disassembled, additional hidden damage is often discovered. If you later decide to repair the vehicle, the amount you originally received may not be enough to cover the full cost of repairs. You should also remember that driving a damaged vehicle may not be safe depending on the type and extent of the damage. Consider having the vehicle inspected before deciding to delay repairs. If your vehicle has a loan, your lien holder may also have certain rights regarding insurance payments or repairs, so it's important to understand any requirements that may apply. Before choosing to cash out your claim, make sure you understand both the benefits and the potential limitations. At Setla Solutions, we're here to help you understand the property damage process so you can make informed decisions after an accident.